And that has been happening to me lately. And I finally just decided, I did that for many years. And, for those of you who know, I cared for my parents in their last days. And it's time. It's time for me to say, I need to go now and be okay with that. And, not everybody's good with that. You know how that works. So you'll love them, but, anyways, we're learning. We're learning. But for everyone, we just need to find out what we're supposed to be doing this year. And seriously, this next year is going to be a year of healing. There is going to need to be a lot of healing that will take place nationally, statewide, also throughout the world, of course, and then, personally. And there's nothing wrong with going through that. I'm not going to use that. I don't like that there. I'm going to do something else. So, but it's good. I mean, we need to understand that all these things are good. If we don't learn the lesson, then we will repeat them. And I don't want to repeat some of the things we've gone through. You know. That does not fit. Well, let me see. I might just go with that and leave a little gap there. I wish I had one more little bit and piece. Hold on. Maybe I should just cut one. Then I'll be happy. Ooh, wait a minute. Do I have that? No, those are not glittery. Well, you know what? That's okay. Let's do it. I think, will that fit? Yes, that fits perfectly. So the class is going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be record keeping. It's, record keeping, memory keeping, which I've taught for years and years and years, locally, statewide, and, internationally. And I've loved it. I worked for Creative Memories for many, 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 many years. And I was doing my Creative Memories long before. And I love it. I'm not using Creative Memories. I mean, there'll be some Creative Memories things, but I will be working out of planners that I have. And I will also be selling additional kits in my Etsy shop eventually. But if you want to get in on, pre-planning for the year, goal setting, then go to my website, josephinesdesigns.com, and look at the, there is a video, there is a link where you can sign up and all that kind of good stuff. So, all right, friends, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I do. I think it's fun. I think clearly I'm not going to have a whole lot I'm going to be doing this week. I'm just basic big bullet things, and I'm good with that. I genuinely love doing things like this. I think it's fun, and I think that the week of Christmas, the less we have to do, the better, right? So, but Jesus is the reason for the season on Friday. Yay. And it's going to be different this year, but we are going to bloom where we're planted, and it's all good. Glass is half full. Okay, friends, I am going to add one of these back in. And since I still have my DEK red and green, I think I'm going to change my planner clip, and you'll just have to look for it in the picture. I may or may not. I may just use like a brass or a rose gold. But, so I'm going to add that in for memory keeping as well. And that's it. So, most importantly, pray your days blessed, creative, and lovely. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment, forward this to anybody who you think would be encouraged by it. That said, love you guys. Hope you guys have a very Merry Christmas. And hope that as we go through the season, it may be a little different, but let's just bloom where we're planted. Let's be happy for all that God's done for us. And know, He paid the ultimate sacrifice. He sent His Son. So let's just enjoy the celebration of Jesus's birth. Okay? Okay, friends. Yes, Hanukkah has been a blessing this year. Did not do all the typical Hanukkah festivities. We did put up our menorah, and if you see one of my pictures, I may put it on Instagram. The menorah's all crooked, the candles, because we didn't have any candle putty, and my husband went to look for it and he couldn't find it. So I just told them, we're going to take them down as quick as we're going to put them up, because we were late this year. So anyways, and yes, I can light the bottom and stick them in, but I try not to do that. And yeah, so okay, friends, And if you wonder why we do menorah and we do Christmas, we are Messianic Jewish Christians. We love the Jewish heritage and the history, and but we are very well believe that Jesus is Messiah. So we're Christians. That's what it is. Okay, friends. Love you guys. Y'all be safe. Talk to y'all soon. Like if you like it, because I know it's the end of the nativity. I know. Okay. Love you guys. Bye bye.